Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel, Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can change your username on your OnlyFans account. To do so, you just have to be logged into your OnlyFans account like I already am. And after that, you just have to click on my profile and this type of screen will be on your screen. And here you can see an option to edit profile. If you click on edit profile, you can see these options pop up, and here on the username, you can just edit your username and set it to whatever you want. It can be any number to any name that you like. After that, you can just click on save, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And now after you click on save, your username will be updated. And that's how you can change your username on your OnlyFans profile. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.